Racing just is started. We have a scramble in front position with Keep Your Distance. Rushing upon the outside is Dumada Gundong. Euromax in between horses. Dragon May is running by the rail. Zemper Fidelis is specially discreet, while California is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Keep Your Distance by a length and a half. Dumada Gundong is right then in second. Semper Fidelis comes next. Dragon May is running by the rail fourth. And in fifth now is Euromax, especially discreet, while California is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Keep Your Distance. Semper Fidelis, Dumada Gundong, Dragon May, Euromax now starting to put big strides. Then next on line is especially discreet, while California is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn we have Semper Fidelis by only a length and a half. Then here comes Euromax now moving up now on the outside, and then entering the home stretch we have Euromax now takes command by a length, running by the Semper Fidelis, especially discreet is on the outside. Last 100 meters we have Euromax, this time by about 3 lengths, followed by especially discreet Semper Fidelis, and finally Euromax, especially discreet Semper Fidelis, Dragon May, Dumada Gundong.
5, 4, 3, 1. So it was the favorites once again.